Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable the Passcode Lock feature in Telegram. If you no longer wish to use a passcode to unlock your Telegram app, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Locate and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to access the settings related to your account's privacy. Step 4. Within the settings, find and tap on Passcode Lock. You will be prompted to enter your passcode for verification. Step 5. After entering your passcode, look for the option to turn Passcode Off. Tap on it to disable the Passcode Lock feature in Telegram. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the Passcode Lock in Telegram, allowing for a more streamlined and convenient app experience. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to disable the Passcode Lock in Telegram. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the freedom of customizing your Telegram app's security settings to your preference.